Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Noor and in this session I am going to talk about the interfaces in C Sharp and how we can implement the interfaces in the C Sharp. Right now, I will just give you a basic definition of the interface and then I will directly jump towards the development environment. Right now, in interface in C Sharp, is a contract that defines a set of methods and properties that a class must implement. It provides a way to enforce certain functionalities in a classes without dictating how these functionalities should be implemented. Right. Now we are using the interfaces um, to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in C Sharp. The interfaces allow you to define a blueprint for classes, ensuring that they follow a certain structure, right? No, I think it is enough about the theory. Now let's we directly jump towards our development environment. I am using here a console application. Okay. Now let's me add a interface inside the model folder. Now click right, add class, and here select this one interface, and just give a name to the interface like iVehicle. Okay, and the file name extension is .cs as of class. Now here we have created an interface. You can see that with classes we are using the class keyword, but with interfaces we are using the interface keyword. Okay, and also it is a good practice to write capital before the interface name like in this way. Now let's define some simple functions signatures inside the interface. The function signature, for example, start engine. Okay, there is no body of the function. You can see I did not define like in this way to give some code like here, right? I just give a signature of the function here. Okay, now let's me define one another function stop engine, and you can see that I also did not give any implementation of this function. Okay, now let's me define here one property speed get and set. Okay, now you can see that basically this interface has only the signatures but has no implementation code logic of the functions. Okay, no, basically, we have to implement this interface, right? Now, to implement the interface, let's create a class with the name car. Okay. Now, let's me here add a class with the name car to implement this interface, car.cs, right? I will make this class as public, and inside this class, let's me put here one property like speed. Okay, and also I will first inherit this class from the interface. Okay, now the interface name iVehicle, let's me copy, and I will derive this class from iVehicle interface. Okay, now to derive any class from the interface or the parent class, we are using the colon operator and then the name of the class or interface. Okay, now it's giving me the error. You can see car class does not implement interface member iVehicle.startEngine. Car does not implement interface member iVehicle.stopEngine. These errors mean that inside our interface we have two functions signature, but the car class not implementing these two functions. So the car class must give the definition and complete code of these two functions. Now, if I auto generate the code, lets me implement, click on implement interface, it will give me some pre-built code for these two functions. Now, inside this function, lets me type here console.writeLine car engine uh, started. Okay, and I will also print some message here like in this way. No, I will just put here also a message. Car engine is stopped. Sorry. Why it's giving me the error? Okay, I am missing the semicolon. Okay. Now you can see that the error has gone because I implemented both the functions that I just give the signature inside the interface. Okay. Now in interface we are just giving the signature and then we implement the functions body inside the derived class. So I derive this class from the interface and then I just give here the definition, the complete function body inside the derived class. Okay. Now we have to use this interface in our code. Now let's me go to the program.cs and I will define here an object of this interface type. Let's me copy I vehicle. Okay, the namespace imported automatically, and let's me give the name as my car, and I will create the my car object using the default constructor of the car class. Okay, like in this way, because car class implement the I vehicle interface, right? No, let's me access the first function, start engine. Okay, my car dot speed is equal to 60, and let's me type something to the console. Mm, dollar sign. If you want to pass variable inside the string, then just use the dollar sign before, and now I can access this variable. So speed, and then you have to use the curly braces. Now inside the curly braces, I can directly access the variable my car. You can see my car dot speed. Okay, and let's me put here kilometer per hour. Sorry, like in this way. Okay, let's me define here one dummy variable so that after this line the program not terminated the console application. Okay, now I will put here a debugger and we'll start the application. Now step 4, let me show you the console. It printed the first message that I am always doing after starting the engine. It show the message car engine started, and this function is defined in this place inside the car. And let's me assign the value speed, and after executing this line, let's me print the message to the console. And here now, after printing the message, I will just call the stop function, this one, inside the console program.cs class, stop engine, right? And let me show you both the things side by side. Okay, like in this way, control save. Okay, start engine, assign a value to the speed and speed becomes 60. I printed the speed 60 km per hour and now I will stop the engine and this function will be called. Let me put here a debugger so that you can see how it's called. Program.cs step 4, the debugger, the execution comes here, and after executing this line, car engine is stopped. This message is printed to the console. Step 4, step 4. Now guys, basically to summarize all the things, interfaces in C Sharp define a contract that classes must follow, okay, to helping to enforce a consistent structure. They allow for abstraction and can be implemented by multiple classes, promoting code reusability and flexibility. Now, I can also inherit other classes from this interface like that I did for the car. I can add here one another class and then I can inherit the class from the iVehicle and then I have to implement the functions according to the requirement of any class. Okay, now that is it for today video. If you found this tutorial about the C Sharp programming language helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in that and leave a comment at this video below. I will respond to your message and will try to improve the things. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video with a new topic of this series. Thank you.